Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope everyone is all right. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Elena, and this gentleman here,
my name is João. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning. João is made.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
João is made some coffee, and I didn't show you guys nothing today, breakfast, all of this kind of stuff, because it's gonna be the same stuff like yesterday, yeah. But we are on our way now to go to the supermarket to buy some shopping, yeah, because we need, yeah. I'm gonna buy some container, yeah, because my fridge is a mess. There's a lot of mess here, yeah, and I want to organize this much better. This is why I'm gonna go to the supermarket to buy some stuff, yeah. And my son is here. Where is my son? Where is my son? My son is there with my sister, yeah. They are faking that. My son is fake that.
Joe Goldberg working today?
Joe Goldberg.
And my daughter, she's going there as well. Do some Asda, yeah. Do some shopping. We're not gonna do that much shopping, yeah. Okay. I'm looking for these ones to put on my fridge, yeah, to be more organized. To put the ham and cheese. But I don't know how much is this one. I really wish to have this one here. Yes, this one, I believe this is perfect for what I need, yeah. But I don't see the price for this one. I don't know if it's £3 or not. If it's £3, I'm gonna buy. Look at this one. Wow. I need to change some stuff at home, yeah. This one, they are more cheaper, yeah, just to put ham and cheese on the fridge, to be more organized on the fridge, yeah. And I really don't know if I'm gonna go with this one, plastic, yeah, or the other one that is glass, yeah. I'm gonna check. This one is £1, yeah, like I said, £1. Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Wow. Wow, this is perfect. Oh, this is a lunch box, yeah, but it's nice. Really nice. Yeah. Oh, this one, I don't know. This one is perfect. But I'm scared if you're gonna change the color, because I bought one was beautiful, but then start to change the color, yeah, start to be disgusting. Yeah. Non-stick. Maybe this one here. 16. This one is look nice. Yeah, today I just came to look for something to put at home, yeah? Just to change some stuff at home. This is to put the stuff inside. Yeah. This one is perfect, beautiful. My husband is on one side, I'm here, yeah. Because I'm gonna go to meet him just to check to see how much is this, yeah. If this one is alright, I'm gonna go with this one here to put the hammer. We are looking for a new kettle for our kitchen, yeah. And look at this one, the toast. Very cheap, this one, yeah. This is cute, but we're gonna go with this one. Yes.
Diz 15 anos de garantia, diz?
Yeah. I love this one as well, but I prefer this one here, yeah, because I'm scared, because we bought the other one was so beautiful as well, then the color started to disappear, yeah.
Esta mais bonita.
Qual? Vais começar aí mesmo? No, I prefer this one there. Huh? Okay. But I prefer this one, I don't know. But you want this one? We're gonna go with this one, okay? Okay, we just came with a lot of shopping, yeah, guys, and I need to start cook, yeah. Okay, our fridge is like this, is a mess. The mess is the stuff is everywhere, yeah. And I bought some stuff that we are going to organize the fridge, yeah. Yes, I believe there's a lot of stuff here that I need to go out of the fridge because a lot of stuff here. And yeah.
Hey guys! Guys.
Ela é bonitinha. The new kettle, really nice, beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna start to cook here because I need to cook. Look, this one is so cute. The new one, cute, cute, cute. Don't choose this one, yeah? Okay, I'm gonna cook. Nice, yeah? Lindo. I'm laughing because I go to the supermarket to buy some vegetables for me to start the diet again today. What happened today? I didn't bought nothing. I bought some stuff to put on my house, yeah? And this is what my sister she's doing now. She's taking everything out, yeah? To wash everything from the fridge. There's a lot of stuff there. Some stuff that should go out a long time, yeah? And Joyce taking care of this one, yeah, the new kettle. Experiência dele. Muita experiência como é que faz. Okay, my sister she took everything from the fridge. This is empty, nothing is here. Yeah, I believe this part needs to go as well. She's gonna organize everything. Yeah, I'm cooking and she's gonna do that. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna cook today. And you guys gonna cook with me today. You guys gonna cook with me. Okay guys, I'm gonna cook now. And what I have here, I have chicken breast here. Chicken breast here. Then I'm gonna cut it here. Cut like this. This is the size. This is the big. Like this. Okay, I'm gonna wash the chicken here. I'm gonna put some vinegar. Some vinegar to wash the chicken, yeah. Wash the chicken, yeah guys. Hot water. I have my chicken here. I'm gonna marinate my chicken. So the marinade that we done here. Finished because we need to make another one. When we're gonna make, I'm gonna show you guys the way we done here. I'm gonna put some salt. Just a little bit more salt here. Okay. I'm gonna put some olive oil here, a little bit here, because I'm gonna fry the chicken. But it's complicated, yeah, for me to do everything like this for you guys to see. Complicated. I'm gonna put some chicken season here. Pepper. Pena, queres passar queijo para aqui?
No.
And a little bit of this. More better, yeah? Okay. And I'm gonna fry the chicken. Didn't put the lemon in, but I'm gonna put later on. Mushroom already washed here. Put some corn. And this one I'm gonna put, we call palmito, yeah? Okay. Need to be a little bit bigger. Mina, cosa é palmito, né? Perguntei. Hã? I'm gonna put some ketchup, guys. Oh God. A little bit. Wait. Just a little bit here. I'm gonna put too much here. And a little bit of passata as well. Little bit. A little bit more. Just a little bit. Never kill anyone. Se Stroganoff brasileiro, menina. Leva ketchup. And I'm gonna put some olives as well, yeah? Oh my God, the one who go to the floor. Okay, that's all done. Okay. Okay, mix everything, yeah? A little bit more. Just a bit, yeah? Now I'm gonna leave this everything to cook. Salt here, just a little tiny bit here. Okay, good. I'm gonna leave this to cook. Stay there. She organized the fridge, yeah? She's there, she's doing some organization. And this needs to cook here, then I'm gonna put the double cream, yeah? But now I'm gonna prepare to make the rice. I love to make rice with the garlic, yeah? Garlic. This is real life, guys. I don't gonna cut nothing. This is the way it is. This is the way it's gonna go. Huh?
Isto é aqui, é brasileiro.
Por quê?
Porque é ali.
Look at her. She organized the fridge. I cannot put nothing the way I like it, the way she likes it. Okay, she said I'm tidying up. This is, oh my goodness, did you see that? This is cooking there. cooking. Look, beautiful. In a second, I'm gonna call my husband for him to try the food here because I don't like to taste the food when I'm cooking here. I don't like it. I have a little bit here that I used last time. Yeah, I'm gonna put this a little bit. Then I'm gonna put real life. Yeah, it's on the floor. I'm gonna put, if you guys can see, the double cream is here. Okay. Okay, the rice is here. Stroganoff is on the other side. Now this is gonna cook properly with the double cream and everything to be more thick, yeah? Gonna leave everything there to cook. Today is my daughter that put the table, yeah? The rice still cooking, yeah? What? Oh, goodness me! Ah! I burned myself here. Oh, goodness me! Guys, look. Really nice. Gonna... Let me just check, yeah? You guys can see the rice is beautiful. You guys can check, the rice is the best, the best. The food is ready. No one is here yet. I'm gonna prepare put the food for the kids now, for the little ones first, yeah? For everyone's gonna come here for me to have a time to eat, sit down and enjoy myself as well with everyone. I'm gonna put for the kids. I'm gonna put that much from Carlos here because a little bit of rice for my husband as well now. Oh, for Sean, it's just a tiny bit, yeah, because he's gonna complain, oh, it's too much, it's too much. Yeah, it's too much. Tiny bit of rice for him, yeah. For Sean Carlos, I'm gonna put the chicken, mushroom, because this is what he likes it. I don't gonna put olives because he don't like it. For João, yeah. This is the food. You guys can see the food. Everyone, the food is ready. Food is ready. Call Jessica. She came now, she started complaining already.
Credo, mãe.
Credo? Ah. This is day to day. You guys wanna come all the time.
I mean, it's good food.
It's good food?
Yes.
Vem cá, tia Mena, deixa eu pôr mais molho então.
Põe mais paprika.
Não, mexer tudo.
É?
Mexer tudo.
Quem quer mais ali as tuas coisas?
Quem? Lambriner. Lambriner. We miss one daughter, yeah? She's coming.
It's the best sauce.
Yeah, you like it? It's not. Okay guys, the fridge is organized, yeah? My sister, she organized this. This is the container that I bought today to put the ham and cheese. This is salami there. Some yogurt is there. Some stuff here, yeah? And the juice, some beer, yeah. We don't have more wine there to put it there. I bought this last time, yeah. I thought this is so cute. This one here, I don't know why I bought it, still there. And some food. What is this? It's the food that we cooked yesterday. Yeah, it's some eggs. Some more eggs there. And some stuff. The wine. This is all organized, yeah. This is nice. Just for you guys to see. Some vegetables. They are there. Vegetables. Yeah, but you guys can see. Look much better. It's not like that mess that was here before. Yeah, much better. Boom boom. Guys, look the way I'm gonna say bye to you guys. I'm gonna say bye to you guys with this, yeah. What I'm doing now, this is the leftover of the corn that we done yesterday. And what I put here, I put the corn, like you guys can see the corn. I put condensed milk, oh my god, condensed milk. I put milk, I put coconut milk, and I put coconut as well, yeah. This is what I put here, and I put a little bit of butter as well, yeah. Oh, I said to my sister, you need to go here, because of you I'm eating too much, yeah. because of how I cook stuff that a long time I don't cook, yeah. And you guys can see, this is what we're gonna eat now. It's like kind of dessert, yeah, so nice. Look, yeah. Thank you very much, guys, to watch this video, yeah. But we're gonna say bye to you guys, yeah. And I have people there on the living room. Everyone is waiting for me to go.